What's up guys, welcome back again to my channel. Now today I'll show you how I make some simple green seasoning. So green season blend is just a Caribbean thing. We love blend up with season and then we add it on our fish, our chicken, our pork, our beef, any meat kind. Alright, now of course guys, you can always use other ingredients. Sometimes I use different ingredients, but today I'm just making a simple one to put on our chicken and our fish, okay, and our beef. Now if I do have to make some jerk chicken, you'd have to add other ingredients to it, or make a pork, you'd have to add some other ingredients like a ginger and so on. But I'm just making a simple one that you can use on your chicken and your fish and your beef, as I said earlier. Now I'm using onions, scallion, garlic, green and yellow scotch bonnet pepper, also green and yellow sweet pepper, some pimento seed, and my fresh thyme. Now you can always use as much natural seasoning as you like, but I'm not making a lot, because I don't really use my natural seasoning in every meal. So if you like to use a lot of natural seasoning, then double or triple the recipe. Alright, so today I'm gonna be using my food processor. You could also use a magic bullet, or if you have a good blender that can blend it smoothly, yeah. But if you don't like yours too smooth, then even if it's chunky, once you like it that way, then that's fine. So I'm just transferring all of that seasoning into the blender, alright, into my food processor. Now guys, if you want the seasoning to work out, especially the scotch bonnet pepper, make sure you put on some gloves, alright. But if not, and you want to use a bare hand, just make sure you wash your hands good when you finish touching all of that seasoning, especially the pepper. Now after I transfer all of my seasoning to the blender, I'm gonna be adding a tablespoon of white vinegar. Now bear in mind, you could also use the apple cider vinegar, or if you want to use some lemon juice or some lime juice, but I do prefer the vinegar, so I'm using that. I'm just adding a pinch of salt. The salt and the vinegar acts as a preservative. Alright, so now I gotta add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now the reason I add the oil is that when you add the oil, it will allow them to blend nicely. It's not gonna be any problem to blend it. It's gonna blend smooth and nice. But you could also add some water. I see some persons use water, but trust me guys, I'm not like use water, so I'm not gonna use it. Now I'm going to just pulse and then I'm gonna start blending. Now if it is unable to blend, then I could always use some more oil, but because I added 2 tablespoons, I'm not gonna need no more oil to blend. Alright, now at this point I blended it for about 2 minutes and it don't have the consistency that I like. I love mine to be smoother than this, so I'm just gonna be blending for another minute or so. But if you love yours like this, then of course you can just let it stay. Now at this point it is smooth and nice, just the way I like it. So I'm just gonna transfer mine into a glass jar, sorry. But make sure you sterilize a jar guys, and just store it in the refrigerator until you're ready to use it. Now guys, bear in mind that you could always make yours with less ingredients than mine. So whatever you like to use in yours, you can always use it. But this is how I normally make mine. Make a simple green season blend.